Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First project we have is Shoot the Bullet by Nautical Sailboat. Looking at Nautical Sailboat's code, we can see some delete this clone blocks for when the bullet is defeated and some forever blocks and switch to costume blocks as well. In this game, you use your lasers to shoot the bullets so they don't make it to your side of the screen. Next project is called Little Black Eyes Video by Parzival. Parzival's code shows some repeat blocks, when I receive blocks, and some hide and show blocks as well. Watch this cool video animation of a pair of eyes and journey along in the story. Next project is Itten World 1.1 by Square Judge. Checking out the code on Square Judge's project, we can see some when background switches blocks, change size blocks, and some switch to background blocks too. Immerse yourself in this Itten world and see what you can create. Last but not least, we have Bushido Baboon 3 by Show. Show's code shows us some next costume blocks, when I receive blocks, and change blocks for the score. Defend yourself against the evils by throwing your weapons and collecting hearts to stay alive. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code like this too on Tynker. See you next time.